We are here now at Hidromek, and Hidromek since 2022 produces soil compactors. So let's have a closer look to this 13-ton soil compactor from Hidromek. Starting with the most important thing on soil compactors, which is the compaction power. This machine has up to 248 kilonewton of force, which is pretty decent for a 13-ton soil compactor. This machine is equipped with a Dana axle, and unfortunately there is only one choice of tires, the diamond tires. For most of the jobs they should be sufficient. The machine name is HMK 130CS, which tells us it's a 13-ton compactor. There is another compactor from Hidromek with 11 tons. Very interesting here, the drums are made by Hidromek themselves. They have a drum factory. So what we see here is a pretty spacious cabin. I tried it out. There is enough space for the head, a comfortable seat from Gramme, which is also nice. We have a right-handed driving lever with some functions for vibration, and we have an adjustable steering column. You can fold it or you can bring it up and down. I am inside the cabin now of the Hidromek HMK 130CS, and it's very interesting because it's simple. A very simple cab, spacious. I have enough room for my head, which is also nice. I cannot check the noise level during operations, but I can tell the visibility is pretty good. And also included in that display, for example, is everything for the convenience of the operator, which is air conditioned, standard in that machine. Also the radio, standard in that machine. So they have a pretty good, let's say, standard options here on that machine, or standard equipment, let's say it like that. We have a combination here between a display, which is for all the comfort functions, and then there's other functions which you need more frequent, as wipers, window cleaners, front and back. This is for the DPF. We got our beacon here, we got our warning lights, and we got our working lights. This is all on that dash to give you a little idea how the other functions will work. Here you got your speed selection, and then you got the high and low amplitude, a vibration automatic here, which means in parking position or brake position, our settings are still there, but the machine will stop to compact, stop vibration. When I go on with the same settings, the machine will vibrate again. A pretty good feature, but on a lot of machines already standard. It's pretty much important on such a machine is serviceability, and we're gonna have a look at the engine now. What we see here is a 115 kilowatt Deutz engine. As you see, you have a filter side. I can easily reach everything by standing next to the machine. We have our exhaust. The pumps are mounted in the back. We got the air filter up here. And our radiator is in front of the engine. So I was asking the guys how the cooling will work, how the air will flow through the engine compartment. So it's sucked in on the top here, and it will blow out the air to the back, which means we will have a little bit less of dirt in our engine compartment. Also important on such machines is the fuel capacity. We have 350 liters of fuel capacity here. We can fill our diesel at this point, and it's protected by the hood, which also secures it from any bad guy who wants to steal fuel or something. Of course, it's a stage 5 engine, so we have our AdBlue tank on the other hand side. And as I mentioned, the rear frame is our diesel tank. Also a pretty nice feature on that machine is the automatic hood opening and closing. So there's a kind guy from Hidromek, he will show us how it works. The hood is closed, and also important here, we have a sealing of the hood, which also protects it again from sucking in dust or any dirt for our engine components. Let's do a summary, let's wrap it up. The Hidromek HMK 130CS is the first soil compactor from Hidromek, and I can tell these guys they did a pretty good job. The machine comes with a lot of standard equipment, and the major components are from high quality suppliers like Bosch Rexroth or Deutz or Kramer. That's the components you can find in all the major players in the market. Also the build quality, such as hydraulic hose position and the weldings of the frame, it looks really good to me. I can imagine that this machine will be a tough competition to leading brands. You can use the machine for landscaping, foundation works, infrastructure projects, and for example for basements and road construction, because they made the right choice for the weight class. My 5 highlights to the Hidromek HMK 130CS. Number 1, it's simple and easy to use. Number 2, it's heavy duty build and it got a really robust design. Number 3, it's available for everyone. You got a stage 3 and a stage 5 engine. Number 4, the high quality components. And number 5, the machine looks reliable and durable. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please click the like button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.